Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to or back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Danny Doll. I'm a performer and instructor. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys 5 super easy beginner friendly stripper tricks that you guys can do at the club. So I'm going to go through each of the moves one by one, but then at the end, I'll do a combo and show you guys how to put all of the moves together to make one combo. All right, so the first move that I love to do at the club that is super easy is literally just a walk around the pole, which is called a pole walk. First, I'm gonna demo it for you guys and then I will explain it. So this is your pole walk. So you can use either your left or your right hand, depending on which direction you want to walk around the pole. So I'm just going to go with my left hand, and you are literally just walking around the pole. But you can, add a little bit of style into it. I like to kind of like drag my feet just to make it a little bit more graceful and sexy. And then you can use this other hand to kind of run up and down your body. But yeah, this is literally probably the easiest move that you can do, and it also takes up time and space. If you're feeling tired from other things, just come back to your pole walk. For our next move, it's gonna be a standing pole twerk. So I'm going to demo this really quick for you guys so you can see how it looks, and then I will break it down. All right, the standing pole twerk. So this move I feel like traditionally isn't taught in studios, but strip club environment is super different, and that's why I like the fact that yes, I am a trained instructor, but also I know what it's like to work in a club and strip club culture where twerking and moves like that are super popular. So standing twerk. You're gonna put your left hand on the bottom, right hand on top, and this is what we call a handshake grip. I would just put it about this high. You can put it higher or lower, but I like to put it like chest level here. We're gonna poke our bum out, and then we're gonna just shake side to side. So just do it slowly first so you can understand the movement, and then you're going to do it faster. And then your bum will just naturally like shake itself, if that makes sense. Let me do it on this side. So again, poke the bum out a little bit, arch the back, and then wiggle from side to side. Let me do it slow so you guys can understand the movement. I'm literally just wiggling my hips back and forth. And in my opinion, this is probably like one of the easiest styles of twerking that you can do. Maybe one day I'll make a more like in-depth twerking video on different styles, but yeah, that is your standing pole twerk. All right guys, the next trick I have for you guys is a backslide on the pole. So I'm gonna demo it first. I think I'll demo it from the side so you guys can see how it looks from the side. All right, so for our backslide, our back is gonna be up against the pole. We are gonna bring our left hand up and our right hand below the left hand in a handshake grip again, which basically means your thumb is going to be wrapped around the pole like this, like if you're going to shake someone's hand. So left hand on top, right hand on bottom. And then our face is kind of going to go to the left, and you're like really going to get in your shoulder blade right here as support, as a contact point. I like to step out first, so I will step out right, step out left, just to create a little bit more space. That way I'm not like up here. You cannot really slide efficiently if you are super up against the pole, so make sure you give yourself some space and step out. You are going to use the pole as support here. It's going to be right in your shoulder blade / your back. And then you can either keep your hands on the pole as you slide down if you'd like a little bit more support, or you can bring your hands to your thighs and slide down. This one's going to be probably a little bit harder to do. And once your bum is getting near the floor, you're going to place your hand down for support and just take one leg down at a time. And then you can roll it over or take it into whatever other move you want to do. Okay guys, the next two moves that I have for us are going to be on the floor. So I'm going to take it down to the floor. So the next move I have is called leg waves. And first I'm just going to demo it for you guys, and then I'll break it down. Okay, so leg waves. You're going to be seated on the floor and coming down towards your back, but not all the way on your back. You're going to be on your forearms here, or I guess you could take it to your back, either or. You're going to bring both legs up, and to get this like wavy movement, I'm going to break it down for you guys. So as one leg bends like this and comes towards you, the other leg is going to be straight and going out. And then they're going to switch, if that makes sense. So one leg bending in, coming towards my face, while the other leg is straight, pushing out. It's kind of like a push-pull type of movement. So practice it really slow first. Pushing and pulling. And then you can go and do it faster. And I think it's pretty when you add a little bit of hip rotation into it. Hi, kitty. Like this. If you guys want to get fancy with it. And then this is how it would look if you're completely on your back, which is also okay. Actually, this is way more comfy. So I would recommend this. It is a bit easier just completely laying on your back. All right, and for our last move, we're going to be on the floor once again, but this time, instead of being on our back, we're going to be on all fours. So I'm going to drop down to my knees and my hands, kind of in this sort of position, making sure that I have like a nice straight lines, straight back. You don't want to be like too far out or too scrunched up. So I'd say like right here is perfect. So this move that we're going to do is like a floor. I don't really know what it's called. I'm just going to call it an all fours floor twerk. And this is what it looks like. I'm going to demo it for you guys. And apologies for the kitty who is in play mode right now and wants to pole dance with me. Okay, so I just demoed it. This is what it looks like. And now let me break it down to you guys. So we're on all fours. Our back is going to be slightly arched, so we give the illusion that we have a bigger bum, plus it just looks sexier. And kind of the same movement that we did when we were doing the standing up twerk. It's gonna kind of be the same, just we're on all fours now. So we're gonna wiggle our hips back and forth. This is the slow movement. And then we're gonna speed it up to where our booty is wiggling and twerking. This one is super popular at the club, and it's actually quite easy. But yeah, that is your floor twerk. Okay guys, well that was my 5 beginner-friendly stripper pole tricks. So we learned our pole walk, our pole twerk, our back slide, our laying down leg waves, and then our floor twerk. So now I'm going to show you what it would look like all together as a combo. Alright guys, well I hope those beginner-friendly tricks helped you guys out if you guys are new to stripping and you want to learn some super easy stage tricks. Those should be perfect for y'all. Let me know how it goes, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.